My long-term goal has always been to teach. I had a professor when I was in culinary school that was kind of one of these life-changing guys. Spent a lot of time and effort with me. My long-term goal was always to give back, to be able to share my knowledge of food with a younger generation. So all students that come into the culinary program are on the exact same track their freshman year. They'll have classes Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And in those classes, they're gonna understand the basics of cooking. They'll understand the history, why we do the things that we do. They'll have a basic understanding of marketing. They'll understand how to price. So the really and truly basics, and you get that for 1 year. If you decide to come back, there's 2 tracks that you can go down. You'll come to class on Mondays, just Mondays. And on Mondays, we'll have 7 hours of class. We do human resources, we do international cuisine, American regional cuisine. We get them ready for a real world job. The goal is only Monday because the rest of the week, you have a full-time job. So the goal is after 2 years, you have a certificate of career, you have a certificate of technology, and 1 year's work experience. The other thing you can do is an Associates of Applied Science. Same thing, come to class culinary on Monday, and that leaves you Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to take your 5 core classes, which are art and English and public speaking, sociology, college algebra, and science. In the culinary world, our end game is very simple. We're trying to entertain you and we're trying to fulfill you. Whether it's through the sight of the food, the smell of the food, or the taste of the food, you have to have all 3 of those aspects together to make a really, really good dish. There's one thing their freshman year that I just beat to death, and it's the 6 keys to becoming a professional chef. Knowledge, skill, taste, judgment, dedication, and pride. And if a student has those 6 things and follows through with them, they will be wildly successful. Having a dream and following through with that dream is probably one of the most rewarding things that I can have.